Hey everyone, so let's talk about money drawing oil from the Art of the Root. So this is one of the first oils I ever got to try when I did my first Art of the Root haul and made my first Art of the Root order online. This oil smells really good. I wore this oil just as much as I wore the other ones like Jezebel oil and Diddly Attraction oil. However, I feel like when I wear this oil by itself, I don't manifest what I expect to. Like I expect to, you know, stumble across money or increase my revenue in some type of way or increase my money earnings, my financial earnings. And I never really noticed results from using this oil and trying to manifest with it. Unlike the other oils I've used, like Jezebel oil, I can see results. Daily Attraction oil, I can definitely see results. Even the Fame and Fortune oil, I did a review on the Fame and Fortune oil and I had a huge result from that when I was using it to manifest what I wanted. And I also, even the Come to Me candle, I even reviewed the Come to Me candle, and I can see results from that too. And but the money drawing oil, I feel like for me and from my experience with manifesting using this has been the weakest one. Oh my goodness, my Buttercup, do you hear that? My dog is snoring. Hey, she's snoring. Hey, stop snoring. Stop snoring. Okay, fine. But anyway, yes. So that is my experience with the money drawing oil. I just wanted to come on and make a really quick video about it and about how I feel like this is the weakest one. If you use Art of the Root products, please let me know which ones work best for you. I've heard a lot about the spray, the Fiery Wall Protection Spray. People swear by that. Jezebel oil is typically good. And Daily Attraction, for me, Daily Attraction oil is super effective. And I'll make sure to link all of these oils in the description, but I do have to say that I feel like I've gotten the least results with the money drawing oil. It smells great, and every time I wear it, like yesterday I wore it and I went out with a friend and my friend was like, wow, you smell really good. I'll just take a little bit and put it in the back of my neck, in the back of my ears, and maybe on my wrist too, but that's it. So yeah, I wish I had better things to say about the money drawing oil. But the other oils, I have wonderful things to say. But there's just something about this and something about my experience so far that I really can't say that I've had really great results with this oil. And I've been using this for about 4 months now. So I think that's plenty of time. I think that's absolutely plenty of time to see some type of result. I mean, 4 months is a decent amount of time. So, but anyway, thank you for watching as always. And if you're interested in any of the Art of the Root products, you can check out the links to the products that I mentioned below in the description. And also, if you would like to see my other reviews for all the Art of the Root products I reviewed so far, I've reviewed 8 other ones previous to this video right now, and I will leave the playlist link for you to view my other reviews on each product. This is the worst review I've done so far for the Art of the Root products. All the other products have been great. So I love you guys, and please let me know what you think. Leave a comment, leave a question, and always communicate with me. I'm here, I'm open, and I'm ready. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.